The main reason that the Aussie online entrepreneurs exists is because the support at Amazon is so terrible. They do an awful job of looking after the sellers, and so the Aussie online entrepreneurs takes up a ton of the slack by educating you how you can optimize your business on Amazon. But every now and again, you need to talk to somebody at Amazon. So how the hell do you do that? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can talk to a real person at Amazon. With that being said, let's go. You cannot anymore, at least, call Amazon seller support. It used to be the case that there was a number you could use, and then after that, it was a case that there were secret numbers that you could use if you were in the know. And now those secret numbers don't work either. You cannot call Amazon Seller Central support, okay? However, what you can do is you can request a call back. You can request a call back. So pretty much from anywhere within Seller Central, you can go to the top right-hand corner and click on help, and it will take you into the help area, which is just sellercentral.amazon, in this case, .com.au/help/hub. Okay, and it brings you here. And then from here, it's pretty simple. If you can find your issue like that, great. If you can find your issue, then go through that process, okay? Go through that process of finding it and then lodge a case that way, or try and figure it out yourself before you get the call. But if you actually can't find it at all, then you're gonna have to be a little bit more smart in the way you do it. Get more help with selected issues, and you can go into contact us. And what you wanna do from here is go to the products and inventory and other product or inventory issues. Describe your link, describe your issue, put your ASIN in, and then put your telephone number in, and then Amazon will give you a call, okay? And they are very, very good at calling you. So they don't want you to call them, but they're really, really good at them calling you, okay? So that's what I would do. That's how I would handle it. Try and solve it yourself through the self-service menu. If you can't, go to more help. When you get into this area here, request a callback. Bada boom, bada bing, they'll call you, okay? That's how you do it. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia. 2,500 members and growing, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, then get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, or you can just Google Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and you'll find us that way too. With that being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.